So yeah, shortly to me. So my name is Heike Schön, and I'm the co-founder and managing director of the different Lumis companies. We are meanwhile a Lumis group. And my background is I have worked more than 25 years in clinical research in different CROs and also in the biotechnology industry. And in 2013, we as three shareholders, we decided that we can use our knowledge to help companies, especially small to mid-sized companies outside of Europe, to come to Europe, to help them coming to Europe as legal representative, to represent them. Because when you are a company outside of Europe, you want to conduct a clinical trial in Europe, you have to have a legal representative. And we three shareholders are very knowledgeable in this field. One of our shareholders is a lawyer, a pharma lawyer. The other is a medical specialist, a key opinion leader, as you can say, and myself with a clinical research operational background. So we thought this could be a successful team to help companies coming into Europe. It turned out it was really a good idea. And a lot of companies have meanwhile received our help to establish them in Europe. And with this activities, more and more the interest of companies were coming towards us. Can you help us finding a CRO? Can you help us managing the study? Do oversight. What is going wrong with my study? So we have started more and more moving into a consulting business. And then we decided, okay, this is a different business. One is the legal representation, but let's have a separate company. So we founded Lumis Life Science Consulting 2 years ago, just 1 week before the lockdown in Germany started. But this is also catching up very nicely. So we are working with companies outside of Europe to support them in oversight management, in vendor selection. And we do this also meanwhile for a lot of companies within Europe. So I think this is a nice part that we can combine our knowledge, not only outside, but also inside of Europe. And then the Brexit came. And with the Brexit, of course, another change came to us because we are also the data representative for companies when they come to Europe. They also need a data representative, not a data protection officer. This is different, but the data representative. And in UK, of course, you have to do this by having a subsidiary in UK. So we opened up our London office. So now we have 3 companies supporting in Europe, outside of Europe, in UK, and we have a representation also in Switzerland so that we can also cover legal representation within Switzerland. So that's the background from Lumis. And due to all of our experience working here at Lumis and the founders and our projects we are running, our idea came up to talk about a topic which is, I think it's an important topic, and a lot of people, a lot of companies have experienced rescue in clinical trials. And so I think it was a great idea that you said, okay, let's have a podcast about it.